Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to try something different because I've been using the exact same wash and go routine since I've been transitioning. Like, I always use a leave-in, eco styler gel, and an oil, and I just decided to switch it up. Like, I haven't been feeling my hair lately just because I just haven't been really liking the way it looked. So I was like, let me switch up the product, because at first I was going to do a braid out, but then I was like, let me get new products. So I went to the store and I picked up these 3 products from the Curls to Go line. This is day 1 of my wash and go using this product, so if you guys like the way that this looks, then keep on watching. Okay, so I just got out the shower. To shampoo my hair, I use this Tresemme Moisture Rich. I love Tresemme because it comes in really big bottles and it's like $4, or maybe it was $3. So yeah, I really like this shampoo. This is my first time using it, but I didn't want something that wouldn't cleanse my hair. Like, I really wanted to like clean my hair. I did not want to use like one of those little shampoos where they almost are like conditioners. Like, I really wanted something that was gonna clean my hair, so that's why I use this. If y'all say I got silicones, whatever, sulfates, whatever in it, I really don't care. So I picked up this conditioner again, but I used this before and I went back to it. It gives you so much slip. It's so moisturizing. It makes your hair so silky. Like, I love this conditioner. And then after I conditioned, of course I used that to finger detangle with, and then after I conditioned, of course, you know, I deconditioned, and I used this one. This is the first time that I used this Blueberry Bliss one. Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. I'm about to rinse it out. It's still in. This is my first time using it, and of course, you guys know I always go over my hair with my deconditioner with an oil, and I used coconut oil. And y'all, in that video that I last posted, I mess with coconut oil. Like, that's one of my favorite oils. That was just a joke, but I mess with coconut oil. So I'm about to go rinse it out and I'll tell y'all how I feel about it. Okay, so my hair, as you can see, is literally dripping wet. And I don't use a towel. I'm literally just using this towel to dry my body off, but I don't use a towel or a t-shirt or anything to dry my hair off because I like to apply my product when my hair is dripping wet. But this deconditioner has my hair feeling so soft and moisturized. Like, oh my god. Like, this deconditioner was literally $15 and I was not messing with it. Well, I wasn't messing with the price, but it's worth the price. And it's like a creamy like type deep conditioner too. So I picked up this Untangle Me weightless leave-in just because like the consistency of it is the exact same. Well, it's not the exact same, but it's similar to the consistency of the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. And I told y'all, like, I really love that leave-in conditioner, but the only thing that I didn't like about it was the fact that it didn't mesh with Eco Styler gel. But I like the consistency. Like, the consistency of that product like really worked for my hair. So I'm finna take this and just apply it how I normally do. Yeah, it's really similar to the Kinky Curly Not Today. It ain't the same. Theirs is like a little more watery, but it's very similar. Yeah, I'm messing with this. I'm really messing with this. Like, it, you know, if you've tried Kinky Curly Not Today, then y'all know, like, it's really easy to like detangle your hair with. Like, it just goes right into your hair. Like, I don't know, but my hair is so moisturized with this. Like, I really like it. I really like this. And it really is weightless. Like, my hair does not feel heavy. Like, it literally feels like it's nothing in here. And as you can see, like, look at my fingers just glide through it. This is just the leave-in. And it still keeps my hair super thick. Like, you see how thick my hair is, y'all? So it definitely doesn't weigh my curls down. So I'm just gonna tie it back up and just do the same thing with the other sections. Yeah. My hair, I could tell this wash and go is about to be bomb. So after you use that, the next step is to use this gel. Now, y'all, I never used a gel outside of Eco Styler gel, so this is gonna be new for me. So I'm about to squirt a little bit onto my hand. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's literally a tiny bit. It is not sticky. I like the leave-in, y'all. My hair, look how much slip my hair has. But this gel, as far as the gel, it's not really like doing it for me. So I would stick with Eco Styler, honestly. Cause this gel, like I don't think it's not gonna hold my curls. It's definitely not gonna hold my curls. I like for the little gel cast to be on my hair because that keeps my curls like locked in. Like y'all gonna be clumped together until y'all dry. So that's why I like having a gel cast. But this, like, and I got like pieces that are just naturally really frizzy, and Eco Styler gel kind of lays that down. But I mean, my hair is still like really moisturized. Like as you could see, like it's doing something. It's just not doing what Eco Styler gel would do. And my hair is gonna be frizzy when it dries. Like it's gonna be frizzy, but it's gonna be moisturized. I will say that. Back to finishing the routine. And I'm finna just use a decent amount of this gel now because I literally pumped it 3 times because I don't know, no amount seems to make it any better. Let's definitely make like the whole wash and go process quicker because this got a lot of slip, I'm telling you. Like, y'all, I'm pumping the hell out of this gel. It's not doing nothing. It's literally like I'm putting in leave-in again. But it smells good. This stuff smells really good. And before I move on to the next section, I'm gonna use, oh my God, I got that paper on it. And my hands are slippery. Oh my God. Okay, now I don't gotta. Okay. Last but not least, on this side, I'm just gonna repart it again just so I can make sure, because y'all, you see my hair is thick and it's wet. How my hair is this thick and it's wet? So I'm just gonna repart it again and apply this. This is a Shine On that I saw. It's the Curls to Go Shine On Curl Elixir. Controls frizz, nourishes, smooths curls. So, and it has argan oil, aloe vera, and macadamia oil. I don't know how this is gonna work for me because I'm not a fan of argan oil, but we'll see. I hate when you first start pumping or something, you really gotta pump. Here you go though. Oh, I already know this is not gonna be moist. I don't like argan oil, and this has argan oil and macadamia oil, which is, I feel like, equivalent to argan oil. So this actually, it seems like it's doing more harm than good. This is actually, I'm gonna put some gel back in because the gel is damn near like a moisturizer. But yeah, that is doing more harm than good, so I'm not gonna use that. I'm not gonna use that. No, I'm not gonna use that. Like that's it for that's it. I'm not using this Shine Elixir. I'll use it when my hair dries. That's what I'm gonna do. Take this piece back down because I'm not using it. Like, look. Y'all see like the difference? Like, why is this all like, it's over. There's no coming back from that. Okay, so anyway, on to the next section. That little piece right there finna be messed up. This is how this back end is. Y'all can see, like, it's very, very thick. Like, I could tell when I finish, my hair is gonna be like, it's gonna look like day 5 hair, which I like. But when I do my wash and goes, like, whenever I wash my hair, I want my hair to like last a really long time, because it takes forever to wash. So we'll see how it dries, and I feel like it's gonna dry quickly because it's not heavy. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and my hair is literally 100% dry, and I'm obsessed. Like, I love the way that my hair looks. I was really like iffy about these products. Like, at first when I was using this leave-in, y'all saw that I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna love this wash and go. But then when I started using the gel and I saw that it left frizz still, I started feeling a little iffy. And then this product, y'all saw when I had applied this, I was kind of like, But like when my hair had completely dried and I looked at this side versus this side was like, it was a little bit shinier. Like, it wasn't that much shinier, but it was a little bit shinier, and it felt and looked the exact same. So I don't know, when I was applying it, maybe it just but like, I've already sprayed this on my hair, so I'm not really gonna do it again. I did it on camera, but of course, like, that clip turned out bad, so I have to like redo like the whole entire, you know, clip or whatever. The struggles of making these videos. But yeah, it did add some shine to my hair. But it did add shine to my hair. Is it so drastic and so significant that it really makes a difference? Like, no, like, it's not that drastic of a difference. Like, this is pretty much how it looked like when it completely dried. But I'm very, very happy with the results, and I'm going to continue to use these products. I'm definitely going to continue to use this leave-in, and I'm going to start using this gel too, because I was worried that the gel wasn't going to hold my curls in the drying process. I was scared that my curls were going to like frizz up when they started to dry. But honestly, if you like look, my hair looks the same way. Like, the definition looks the same as it did when it was wet. The only difference is my hair like fluffed out because it's dry now. But as far as definition, like, the definition has not changed. And despite the fact that I used so much gel, my hair is not crunchy at all. It is very, very soft, and my curls are super, super defined. Like, this is the most defined my curls has ever been. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this wash and go. Does it look better than my old wash and go? Does it look worse? Does it look the same? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. This is so fake and corny. I'll see y'all in the next video.